Welcome all the students of Standard 8. Our today's subject is mathematics and we are going to learn lesson number 1. This lesson is already started and you have learned the two exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Our today's topic is decimal representation of rational number and we are going to solve the practice set 1.3 based on this topic. Students, you are know what are rational numbers. The numbers of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. If we divide the numerator of it by a denominator, we get the decimal representation of a rational number. That is, every rational number can be represented in its decimal form. For example, 7 upon 4. If 7 is divided by 4, we get the answer 1.75. This is the decimal representation of 7 upon 4. In this case, the process of division ends. That is, we get the remainder 0 in this division and therefore it is a terminating decimal form. But sometimes the decimal representation is of the recurring type. That is, we do not get 0 in the division and the remainder goes on repeating and the digit in the quotient also goes on repeating. This type of division is known as terminating division and it is known as recurring division and the decimal representation is known as the recurring type. For example, 7 upon 6 is equal to 1.6666 and so on. Here the digit 6 in the quotient repeats and therefore 6 is the recurring digit. For recurring, we can draw a horizontal line which is known as the bar on the recurring digit.
Now let us solve practice set 1.3. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. From this exercise, the first example is 9 upon 37. Here the numerator is 9 and the denominator is 37. So let's divide 9 by 37. But since 9 is less than 37, we cannot divide 9 by 37. So take a decimal point in the quotient and add 1 0 after 9. Then multiply 37 by 2. The answer is 74. 90 minus 74, the remainder is 16. Again add 1 0 after 16. The quotient will be 4. 37 into 4, this multiplication is 148 and the remainder is 12. Again add 1 0 here and multiply 37 by 3. Answer is 111. Remainder is 9. Now see here, 9 is the remainder, this 9, and here in this place there is also 9. So the division will repeat same from this place and therefore these three digits in the quotient will be repeated and therefore we give a bar on these three numbers. This bar is the sign of recurring and therefore this decimal representation becomes 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243 recurring. The second example is 18 upon 42. Numerator 18, denominator 42. Here again 18 is less than 42, so add 1 0 here. Give a decimal point in the quotient place. 42 4s are 168. Remainder 12. Add 1 0 after 12. 42 2s are 84. 120 minus 84, remainder is 36. Again add 1 0. 42 8s are minus 336. We will get 24. Add 1 0. 42 5 are 210. Remainder is 30. Again add 1 0. 42 sevens are 294. 300 minus 294. Remainder 6. Give a 0 after 6. 42 ones are 42. Remainder 18. Here again the repetition. 18. Here is also 18. So this whole process will repeat from this place, and therefore we get the answer as 0.428571 recurring. This is the second decimal representation. 18 upon 42 is equal to 0.428571. Next example is 9 upon 14. Divide 9 by 14. Add 1 0 here. Give a decimal point in the quotient place. 14 6 are 84. Remainder is 6. 14 4s are 56. Remainder 4. 14 2s are 28. Remainder 12. 14 8s are 112. Remainder 8. 14 5s are 70. Remainder 10. Add 1 0 here. 14 7s are 98. Remainder 2. 14 ones are 14. 20 minus 14. Remainder 6. Now see here. Here also 6, and in this place there is also 6. That is the process of division will repeat from this step, and therefore we have to give the recurring sign from 428,571, and therefore we have to write this decimal representation as 0.6428,571. 428571, these are the recurring digits in the quotient. The fourth example from this practice set is minus 103 upon 5. Now divide 103 by 5. 5 twos are 10. Remainder 0. Take this 3 in this place. Now we cannot divide 3 by 5. Therefore add 0 in the quotient place, then give a decimal point and again add 0 after 3. Then 5 6 are 30. Remainder is 0. So the process of division terminates here, and we get minus 103 upon 5 is equal to minus 20.6. The last example from this exercise is minus 11 upon 13. Divide 11 by 13. Now 11 is less than 13, therefore give a decimal point. 13 8s are 104. 13 4s are 52. 13 6 are 78. 13 1s are 13. 13 5s are 65. 13 3s are 39. Remainder is 11. 11 and 11, that is the this remainder repeats, and therefore the division will get repeating from this step again, and therefore give a recurring sign here, and therefore minus 11 upon 13 is equal to 0.846153 recurring.
Students, hope you all have understood this decimal type of representation. Now do more practice of this type of examples. Here is the homework for you. Solve these examples in your notebook. Also solve practice set 1.3 in your notebook again. Thank you.